opening my second MLP box. And if you want to know what I got last month, they're over here and here. But if you want to see my reaction, it will be right here or down below. And MLPBox was kind enough to send me this month's, which is awesome because it's my birthday month.
Like a Hellcat.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Meow meow. Now let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, let's see what's inside. So here is Fluttershy out of the little bag. Oh, she's so pretty. Look at her. And she's so soft. And look at her beautiful big hair. It's so sparkly. It's got sparkles on it. Oh, she's so cute. Thank you, MLPBox, for sending me this amazing, adorable Fluttershy plushie. She is so pretty. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And if you guys want to get your own MLPBox, the link will be down below. And you can always go to MLPBox.com to get your own. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and follow me on Facebook, Instagram. Bye! Bye. I did her leg.